Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stream on TikTok with OBS Studio. So first, you just have to go to your search menu and then type OBS, run as administrator, click yes. Now the next thing you should do is go and open your TikTok application. Now, if eligible, you may have an option called live streaming from your computer. You will receive a stream key and RTMP URL from TikTok. Also, same thing if you use your mobile. So you need to copy the RTMP URL from TikTok. And then after that, you can now exit your TikTok application and go back to your OBS Studio. So you have to click this file right here. Scroll down, tap settings. Under settings, you have to click stream. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click service and then tap custom. Here, you're going to paste the stream key and RTMP URL from TikTok into OBS. After that, click apply and then start streaming. Your live stream should begin on TikTok and you will be able to monitor it from both OBS and the TikTok application. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.